No, I'll leave town for the one this time. You know, we were around for the All-Star game in Gasparilla last time, so you know, I'll be out of town for that one.
Victor, the defensemen have been playing with a rotation. What does it say about their willingness to accept that and know that they don't always get to play, even though everyone wants to play?
Yeah, I mean, it says a lot about the character in this team, and you know, the rotation is, you know, obviously everyone wants to play every game, but you know, guys have bought into it, and you know, they know they're going to be back in the next game, and you know, we got 70 that can really play and play big minutes, so you know, it's kind of a tough situation, but obviously a good thing to have as well. But like I said, everyone wants to play every game, but the guys have done a tremendous job, you know, kind of accepting it and you know, being ready for the next game.
How good was your bounce back from that last game to finish before the break on a high note?
No, it was good, obviously. I liked the way we played last game. Obviously not the end result we wanted, but today was the result we wanted. You know, we're a happy team today.
What does it say about this team, 11-1 following a loss?
Yeah, it says a lot, like I said earlier, about the character. And, you know, we want to be a team that bounce back, you know, after losses. And, you know, for us to do that, and like I said, 11-1 is a pretty good record. So, you know, obviously proud of the guys that we have here that were able to kind of refocus right away and bounce back.
Yeah, that third period, we're really defensively lucky for the first 16 minutes of that game. Good showing by the guys.
Yeah, I thought it was great. You know, we got another couple of goals, and you know, we were able to play good defensively, and you know, a little bit of scramble during the PK, and then after that. But like I said, I think we did a great job. You know, kind of held us to the outside, and you know, everyone came back to the house and worked inside out, and you know, I guys did a great job. So yeah, it's a good job.
Steven scored plenty of goals.
County Court.